Okay, so now we're at question number 34 on the ACT English test. Let's read the sentence as is. Over time, rainwater permeated the porous limestone, but was trapped just above sea level, buoyed by the denser seawater below. This is a great example of a question where we can use our concision technique. Okay, so we find again the most concise answer, the one that's the shortest or the least amount of punctuation, and we want to try that one first. When we try it, we're going to hear how it sounds, and that's called subvocalize. So we're going to subvocalize it, hear how it sounds. Obviously, we can't talk out loud on the test. So we're not going to talk out loud. We have to talk to ourselves, and that's what subvocalization means. Okay, so why don't you pick the shortest one here, hear how it sounds, and then we'll go through them together. Right, the shortest one's going to be F. Okay, so trapped just above sea level, buoyed by the denser seawater below. How does that sound? Yeah, that sounds great. And in fact, that would be the right answer. We have a independent clause over here. Over time, rainwater permeated the porous limestone, but was trapped just above sea level. That's one thought. And then this modifies that thought. It says that, hey, this was buoyed by the denser seawater. Okay, so let's read the other ones and figure out why they're going to be incorrect. We could start with J because I guess that would be the next most concise. Buoying, it was. Over time, rainwater permeated the porous limestone but trapped just above sea level. Buoying, it was the denser seawater. You know, that doesn't even make any sense. So it's beyond awkward, and you'll get those as answer choices. So if you're reading it and you're like, I really can't make sense of this. I don't even know what they're trying to say. It's awkward, it's illogical, mark it wrong. Okay, next two options, you're going to have the same problem. Let's start with H, it being buoyed by. Trapped just above sea level, it being buoyed by the denser seawater below. Okay, again, that's awkward. It's too wordy, right? If we can say the same thing in two words, why would we use for? And left with G, being buoyed because of. Well, this because of changes the meaning of the sentence at the very least. You know, it's pretty much awkward and illogical, so we know this is going to be wrong as well. We're not really sure what they're trying to say. So F is going to have to be our correct answer. It's the shortest one, meaning it's the most concise. We subvocalized it. It sounded smooth. It makes sense as a modifier to the independent clause to the left of it, while the other answer choices sound awkward, and some of them are illogical as well. So again, use your concision and subvocalization technique. It's definitely going to get you to the right answer for question number 34. Thank you.